Viewers, today we will solve a numerical based on the thermal modeling of motor. So our question is, for a motor operates on a periodic duty cycle for a load period of 20 minutes and no load period of 10 minutes. The maximum temperature rises 30 degrees Celsius. Heating and cooling time constants are 50 minutes and 70 minutes respectively. During the continuous operation on no load, the temperature rises 10 degrees Celsius. Determine A. Minimum temperature during the duty cycle. B. Temperature when the motor runs continuously on no load. So we have given the heating and cooling time. So we will write it. Heating time is 20 minutes and cooling time is 10 minutes. Heating time constant is 50 minutes and heating cooling time constant is 70 minutes, and maximum temperature is also given. So theta max is also given is equals to 60 degree Celsius, and also the steady state value of cooling. So it is the steady state value of cooling is given as 10 degrees Celsius. So we have to calculate the minimum temperature during the duty cycle. So we have given this theta 1 as 60 degrees Celsius or maximum temperature. We have to calculate this theta naught. So we will solve for the first part, minimum temperature. So formula for the minimum temperature, theta 0 minimum temperature, theta 0 is equals to theta SC 1 minus e की power minus heating cooling time divided by cooling time constant plus theta 1 into e की power minus t cooling time divided by tau c cooling time constant. It is the minimum current. So for minimum current we will use the formula for cooling period. So theta 0 will be, theta SC is given as 10 degrees Celsius. So 1 minus e की power minus cooling time is given as 10 minutes. So 10 divided by cooling time constant is 70 minutes. So plus theta 1 is given as 60 degrees Celsius and e की power minus 10 divided by 70. So if you solve it, then this value will be 0.1332 plus this will be 60 into 0.866. So theta 0 on calculating will be 53.292 degrees Celsius. So we have calculated the minimum temperature. Now we will go to the second part. So we have to calculate the temperature when the motor runs continuously on load. So we have to calculate the steady state value of increasing temperature, this temperature theta SS. So we will use the formula for heating period. So for heating period, what is the formula? Theta 1 is equals to theta SS 1 minus e की power minus t heating time divided by heating time constant plus theta 0 into e की power minus heating time divided by heating time constant. So from here theta 1 is given in the question 60 degrees Celsius, theta SS we have to calculate, and 1 minus e की power heating time is 20 minute and heating time constant is 50 minute. So this is 50 minute plus theta 0 we have calculated it, so it is 53.292 into e की power minus 20 divided by 50. Now we will calculate it. So 60 degree is equals to theta ss. So this value will be 0.3296 plus 53.292 into e की power minus 2 by 5. So this value will be 0.67. On calculating this, the theta ss will be equals to 60 minus 35.70 divided by 0.3296. So on calculating, this value will be 73.71 degree Celsius. So our steady state temperature is 73.71 degree Celsius. Now we have solved the second part of our question. Thank you.